Hi, I'm Joe Calhoun, Fire Chief for the North Las Vegas Fire Department, and we are excited to welcome you to our first YouTube series. This series will focus on Fire Academy Class 22-2. This is our biggest academy in the history of our organization, starting out with 27 prospective candidates for the North Las Vegas Fire Department. The reason we're doing this is to let our community and let those of you that are interested in the fire service profession know exactly what our recruits go through each and every day to learn how to be safe, effective, and productive firefighters. So we look forward to sharing this experience with you. We hope that you get a great deal out of it, and we look forward to an exciting and rewarding academy for Class 22-2.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home.
Great stuff going on. Inside look at what it takes to run a rookie school for the North Las Vegas Fire Department. We got 27 recruits starting on August 15th. We've got our first and final cadre meeting today. 27 recruits, but 20 individuals who make this happen. So there's a lot of things that go on behind the scene that you don't ever really realize until you come into some of these offices and take a look and see what we've got. So let's go on in to our conference room. We'll sit down with the cadre and start chipping away at this in preparation for August 15th. Sounds great. Well, I can't believe you guys didn't set up a Zimmerman or Ruiz, but what most everybody knows in this room, I've been a BC for 16 years, and this is my seat for 16 years. There's been a lot of BCs, a lot of chiefs come and go, but the one constant in this room is this is my seat, and everybody knows it. So usually they would put one of you guys in there, but they're being super kind to you. So welcome, you guys. You two are the new additions to the cadre, and I appreciate it. Succession is something that is very important to the training division, as these guys have heard me say succession 100 times. We need to make sure that we've got people in the barrel that understand process and what we do in the training division, because turnover is something that we understand in the training division. That's part of it, and getting new people introduced into the training division is super important. So you guys are going to watch and learn a lot of stuff this time, but it's super important that your head's up, you're paying attention, because if you haven't forgotten, it's a two-school commitment for certain. So you guys will be a big part in leading the next cadre that comes in. So, all right, we're all going to line up and give Jake a kiss on the way out. No, but thank you guys very much. It's a tremendous amount of work, like we said, 20-some people, you guys being the core group. And what you do impacts our organization today, but for the next 25, 30 years. So thank you very much, fellas. If you got any questions, let me know, all right?
Thanks, Chief.
Cool.
Thank you. Hey, we're out here this morning on the training grounds for the North Las Vegas Fire Department Academy. The academy starts in about 1 week. Our goals in the morning are to get into better PT shape, because we make a vow to our cadets or our recruits that we're going to be in better shape than them, and we're willing to do anything that we're going to make them do. So it's our goal to get out here, work out, do the workouts, and be prepared for the recruits. This year we have a couple new cadre members. One of them has 3 years and one of them has 1.5 years. We typically don't bring on people that have only 3 years or 1.5 years on the department, but both these two contributing members have done quite a bit for this department. They both participated in the Explorer program, so they're already working and training just like you do in the academy. Both of them also have made a commitment to PT and physical conditioning, and that's why we felt they'd be a good fit for this next academy. It's also a young, fresh perspective is something that we look for as well.
Hi, my name's Thomas Zimmerman. I've been with the North Las Vegas Fire Department for about 3 years now. I've also been an Explorer 4 years before I got hired, and now being able to teach an academy, I'm really excited to be able to bring my perspective of what I've learned through Explorers what I learned through my academy and also what I've learned while I've been on the floor. So I'm just excited to be here, and I'm happy to be a part of the team.
Hey everyone, my name is Antonio Ruiz. I'm a firefighter for North Las Vegas Fire Department. I'm also a cadre RTO member for this current Academy 2022-2. I am the youngest cadre member that North Las Vegas has ever had as an RTO. I have just under 2 years of experience with our department. I was a North Las Vegas Explorer for about 5 years prior to being hired with North Las Vegas. I'm super excited to be here, and I'm ready. I'm dedicated to this position that I was offered.
We'll leave that for the rookie school.
Yeah.
You guys can have that, and because you'll probably be out there most of the day, where crews will be rotating through individually.
Awnings and stuff too. Has the awnings. We're
Okay.
gonna bring all of our easy ups, and then plus it'll just be kind of if we need to get somebody inside to cool off, like quick. Yeah. Good quick access, and
Okay.
be a good meeting place for us to gather and come up with game plans for the day. And
Yeah.
Good, man. I like it. Looks really good. Chief's super proud of you guys and what you've done. Just doing fantastic work out here. I gave him the tour yesterday, as you're aware, and just showed him all the different workstations and thanked him for his support. Because without his support, obviously, it wouldn't happen. You know, you and I chat about vision, and we lay stuff on the table, and you guys execute, and you've done a fantastic job. So, all right, I'll talk to the fellas in the squirrel's nest over there and see what we can do.
Okay. Yeah, that'd be
All
good.
right, cool. Well, good job, man.
Yeah.
Excellent
Thanks, Chief.
work.
I appreciate
Thank
it. Thank you for
Got
that.
it. Well,
And there was Jake.
just a couple days away from starting rookie school 22-2. 27 recruits for the North Las Vegas Fire Department. We're super excited about that, and very proud of Captain Bodine and the cadre and what they've done out here on the training grounds. They have really taken this rookie school training grounds to the next level. They've done a fantastic job. The things they've done will be in place in this organization for the next 25, 30 years. So it's been a wonderful downtime in the off season between the two schools, but August 15th, we're kicking it off. So super excited about next Monday. Oh, nice work, fellas. You really did a good job designing that.
You know, manipulation and, you know, thought, and then, you know, certain areas where you can move through smoother, certain areas where you have to work it out in your head. Yeah.
No, absolutely. And I think the length of it, I don't know how many linear feet we have of it, but nice length. It gives you time to get tired. It gives you time to get a little anxious. You've got opportunities to sit down and calm yourself down. Start Monday with 27, but what a great opportunity, what a great asset to our training grounds. Nobody is immune to doing this in our organization. I've been a suppression battalion chief for 16 and a half years. I don't expect my guys to do anything that I'm not willing to do myself. That's why I'm out here today. Just went through the course, fantastic tool. I'm super excited about the confidence that will be built within each and every one of our firefighters to be able to handle a situation where they may be entrapped, they might have to wait for rescue, but this gives them the opportunity to calm themselves, slow their breath, realize everything's going to be okay. So great day, guys. Thank you. Appreciate you guys checking us out.
All right, hey fellas, just a couple things to finally go over before we kick this off on Monday. Today we have family night. Do we have all the chairs and everything set up over there, ready to go?
Everything's good.
Cool. Classroom and everything is set up?
Yes.
Awesome. Farmer, the PT gear and all the workout stuff is good to go?
Good to go.
Awesome. Cordova, the training boxes and everything are ready to go, cleaned up?
Yep, they're ready to
Perfect.
go.
And EMS is set up and the folders are ready to go?
Sorry to go.
Perfect. So just the last things is just finally getting set up the APE over at Station 52. We got roughly about 110 guests, making sure that all the displays, the chairs and everything are put out, and that's about it. And I think that moving forwards, you know, we're pretty much ready to go on Monday. You guys have any questions about what we need to do? I think we're good. I'm gonna break up the group here, and I just want to keep Tommy and Ruiz around just to talk to you guys, since you guys are the new members of the group. All right? Cool. Thanks, guys.
All right, we're going to get sushi bowls. We're out.
All right, I got something to talk.
Okay, so I just want to grab you guys for a minute, just because you guys are new to the academy process. But first, just want to thank you guys for like being here and putting in your interest. You know, couldn't be happier with the group that we have this year. Some of the big stuff, in all seriousness, for the academy. My main thing is that this is a mentoring program, right? It's about mentoring and teaching. So at the end of the day, that's our ultimate job, is just to be able to put out the best product that we possibly can. And so from your guys' end, pretty much what I expect is that every time that we're out there on that drill ground, that you're giving them everything that you have, all the knowledge and the skills and the training and stuff that you've acquired, and you're passing that information on. And one part about that that's really important is communication, right? So if we're yelling at them, they're not going to receive the information that they need, right? So there's a time for teaching and there's a time for being firm, right? So when we're out there in that training ground and we're instructing them on, you know, whether it be ropes and knots or ladders or hose pulls, making sure that we educate them appropriately, right? One reason why I think you guys are such a benefit to this group is because you guys are younger. Some of us have been on the department for quite a long time, and having people that have recently gotten out of academies, or that are more familiar with the newer skills and the newer types of techniques and stuff that we use, bring a different element to the academy. And I think that you also relate better to some of the new recruits that are coming in, because you went through this not too long ago. So you know the trials and the tribulations and the struggles that they're going to go through, so you can relate to that, which will, I think, help them be better. And I think that carries a ton of value moving forward to this academy. So thank you guys, I really appreciate it, and we all start on Monday, all right?
All right, how's it going, everyone? RTO Farmer here. Tonight's family night. We got the recruits standing out there. We're just making them sweat it a little bit, get their nerves out, and we're gonna walk them over here in a minute and give them a little briefing.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left, because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city, cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no, I can't keep from me.
Hold on, firefighter Levesque. So we're gonna take them into their classroom, introduce them to their classroom, have a first talk with them before their first day on Monday. We're gonna give them a bit of their expectations and what we expect of them. So we're gonna hold off on this one and go talk to them. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel so we can follow along. We'll see you Monday morning.